back to NHS Lens. I am Gauri Mishra here with the current affairs of month of December. India's nuclear power capacity nearly doubled over the past decade, increasing from 4,780 MW in 2014 to 8,180 MW in 2024, with the projection to triple by 2031.
SpaceX successfully displayed the first global SG network, bringing the high-speed network in remote areas.
World's first sustainable floating city concept launched in South Korea to fight rising sea levels and urban overcrowding. European Union's Green Deal makes significant progress with the new law reduce carbon emission by 50% by 2030.
Devendra Fadnavis was sworn as the Maharashtra Chief Minister for the third time on 5th December 2024.
A new planet discovered in habitable zone of a distant star system, raising hopes for extraterrestrial life. Climate change activists rally globally pushing for stronger international agreements at the COP30 conference in Brazil.
India launched nephrothymicin, its first indigenous antibiotic to combat antimicrobial resistance.
Let's meet next month with new updates and facts. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
Hello everyone, I am Prakhar Singh along with my friend Archit Mishra and we are here with the news updates of NHS premises for the month of December. Find the Number was an engaging activity conducted in the pre-primary wing to teach the students sequencing and number recognition. A Pick the Number activity was held in pre-primary section. This activity helps students build confidence, manage work pressure and apply their recalling skills in a fun and challenging way. A Hindi activity was conducted on 4 December to help students recognize swar and vyanjan according to the provided pictures. A Hindi activity titled Complete the Varnmala was conducted in pre-primary wing where students arranged swar and vyanjan according to their respective groups. This interactive activity helped them enhance their understanding of Hindi alphabet in a fun and engaging way. A parent-teacher meeting was held on 7 December 2024 at NHS prior to the pre-boards and PT2 exams. The meetings aimed to address parents' concerns and discuss for the academic process. Career Counseling Workshop on Civil Aviation was held on 18 December 2024 for students of class 9 to 12, focusing on non-traditional career paths in the aviation industry. The session highlighted various opportunities beyond conventional roles, which help students explore more career paths. The most awaited Hindustan Olympiad was conducted on 20 December 2024 at NHS for students of grade 6 to 12.
New Heights School hosted an exhilarating sports fiesta from December 16 to 27, 2024 for students across pre-primary to class 12th. The event was a spectacular showcase of teamwork, sportsmanship and talent. Over the course of 11 days, students enthusiastically participated in a variety of sports and games including red light and green light game, 3-leg race and shuttle run race, line balancing race with ball, hula hoop race, tunnel making and duck wall race, skipping, relay race and long jump. Team sports such as kho-kho, basketball, lawn tennis and cricket. The fiesta provided a platform for young athletes to demonstrate their skills, learn valuable lessons and forge lasting bonds with their peers. The event was a resounding success, embodying the spirit of healthy competition and joy.
December added another highlight to NHS achievements where our students showed remarkable skills in the inter-school art competition held on 25 December 2024. Their creativity and hard work were recognized, earning them accolades and reflecting the artistic talent stored by them. A sequence of activities were conducted in the pre-primary section related to Christmas, which encouraged imagination, creativity and teamwork, allowing children to embrace the excitement and joy of Christmas in their spirit. New Heights School celebrated Christmas on 24 December 2024 with a special assembly featuring carols, skits and dance. The principal's message focused on love and kindness. The primary and pre-primary students enjoyed festive activities with teachers dressed as Santa Claus, making the event fun and enjoyable for all. Another parent-teacher meeting was conducted after pre-board and PT2 examinations on 24 December 2024 to discuss students' academic progress. The teachers provided feedback highlighting students' strengths and areas of improvement. The Creative Corner in December featured festive craft work centered around Christmas. Students engaged in various activities such as making snowmen, Christmas trees, and various artistic paintings and Santa Claus faces, showcasing their creativity.
So that's all, not for this month, but of course for this year also. We will meet again in the next year, year 2025. Till then, bye bye.